Okay.
Can I?
Action! Yeah.
Silence.
The camera is not for kids.
I'm the producer. Action! Start. Rolling.
Sabine, could you stop eating, please?
Oh, okay.
Should I start?
No,
to
please.
play?
Attention. Fumi.
Jimmy,
No.
Jimmy. Here you okay? Yes. Now I have few words to say. Should I start or? Being the oldest man in the class, I have always privileged to say something in this kind of ceremony. No? So, I'm the old man.
Rakesh is now big brother. Yeah, big brother.
Yes. Today,
Tako.
today we are very happy. Mang and Singh, both of our friends, they organized this nice party. Actually, it was not only the party, but it is also some kind of get together where we can share everything. We thought that when now saying something now, we remember 2 years back now when we were in Gothe and then in the institute. It looks like just 1 week ago we were in the but within this short time we shared many things, many experiences. So we are always happy to get his accompany in the class. We were together in the field. We were together also in Indonesia. We were together in Goa. We were together. No?
China.
It's enough already. In the coming days also, we will be together somewhere. Maybe in our working field, maybe in the professional life. We spent very good time as a student. Maybe in the future as a professional, we will again spend some memorable time in the future. So we hope this thing also. And about now I want to say that he's very lucky man. He got already PhD, and from the side of all of our friends, I would like to congratulate him about he is not finished the master, but he has already admission for the PhD. Now it is good luck for him and good luck for us also. No? So congratulations to ma'am, and also we hope the same thing for singing also. No?
Okay.
And for the singing, most important thing,
Only one.
what I would like to wish is
Why?
to get one very beautiful.
Yeah, girlfriend.
And then PhD, not before PhD, no? But in the beginning PhD, but in the beginning you should have.
I'm afraid I'm married with my children. I'm not time to continue with my PhD.
So at the end, I would like to congratulate both of them. I would like to wish all the success in their life in the coming days, and also I would like to hear all the ups and downs in their life to all of us now. Even though we are apart, we will be little bit far from geographical distance, but from heart to heart, we are very close now. So maybe we will maintain this closeness, intimacy in the future also. The world is now very, very small now. We can, through the communication, through the IT, we can be always together. So, what else?
Hooray!
To thank you for this wonderful evening and to keep us always in mind that you don't forget us.
And you have to wear it. You have to wear it.
Wonderful.
Okay, can you show it?
Yeah.
Grandma gave me a great surprise.
And Shinmin.
Guys, Jimmy is not that bad. Very dark.
Shinmin, you have to wear it.
No?
Yes. We'll take a photo.
Yeah, thank you very much. I really like this one.
Okay. Every day to remember all of you.
Okay.
Oh, it's a bit small.
Okay, also wear it.
It's great.
Take the other one out, come.
You got my photo while I'm sleeping.
Wow.
Is it too tight? No, it's okay. It's okay. It's with the t-shirt. Okay. So I
Yeah,
stop.
we're happy.
Yeah.
Study project.
Okay. So stop.